Let's see how to send images with your WhatsApp messages. In this case, we will create a simple chatbot for a restaurant. As you can see, the chatbot returned the message with an image. Let's ask just for one of the products. We inquired about the burger, and the chatbot provided the relevant details along with an image of the product. Let's ask about something that the restaurant doesn't sell. The returned message doesn't have image, just text. Let's see how the flow was created in n8n. The flow starts with a message received trigger. We can use the message and wait for reply component to get the user question. We will use now the HTTP request to send the customer's message to the AI endpoint. We will send the body with this JSON structure, with the last user message and the customer's phone number. The web service doesn't returns any message. The web service will send the WhatsApp message directly, so here we just add a wait of 10 seconds and return to the message and wait for reply component. The web service is made in n8n. You can download the flow template in the video description. The flow will start with the webhook component. The production URL will be used in n8n HTTP component. In the AI agent, we included the behavior guidelines and details about the restaurant products in the system prompt, along with the publicly available image URLs for each product. In this case, we provide information about every product and a public URL for every product. This is really important, because n8n requires a publicly available image URL to embed it in the WhatsApp conversation. Now, we must connect the LLM model. In this case, we use OpenAI, but you can use your preferred model. You should also use a window memory buffer with the customer's phone number as the key. The AI agent will use the WhatsApp message as the prompt. The code component will use Python to extract the image URL from the AI response. This URL will be used to return the message to the customer with the embedded image. The last component will use an HTTP request to connect n8n with n8n. You can find all the documentation about n8n API in the developer site. Here you will see how to use the send message method, where you must provide the image URL as a parameter besides the text message. This will embed the image in the WhatsApp conversation. The HTTP component in n8n sends requests to n8n's API using the send message method. You can include the API key in the header and dynamically generate a JSON body. This body can contain both the text message and the image URL, if an image URL is present in the LLM response. This way, you can easily use n8n, and AI to enhance your chatbots with embedded images whenever needed.